It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other midsize pickup can match. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, metallic paint, rear-wheel drive, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive finds the Chevy Colorado is designed for the owner who wants the utility of a pickup at hand but doesn't regularly tow or haul heavy loads. Chevy, 100 years of icons. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.